Bruh, you would never believe. Look at these motherfuckers, bruh. So these the fucking bitch ass motherfuckers right here that's over there controlling the goddamn YouTube with all this negativity. These motherfuckers right here. Okay? Shooting direct energy. Okay, them. Probably one of them stupid ass bitches ain't gonna motherfucking say shit or bust a goddamn grape. If I wouldn't be about to get my fucking blanket and a hoodie, bro, I wouldn't even seen that shit. This is how fucking fake and delusional it is. They hiding outside my window. Man, these are some fucking pressed ass, stuck-in ass bums, bro. I swear to God. I wouldn't even seen the motherfuckers, bro. That's exactly who's controlling, making YouTube miserable. These losers right here. Okay? Right here. Look at they bum ass. I wouldn't have even seen these bitches. Motherfuckers ain't gonna say shit. They gonna sit their punk ass right there and hide. Move somewhere else and hide. Bet you they don't say a motherfucking thing. Okay? Not a bitch ass thing. I ain't think so. I didn't think so. These motherfucking bitches on my dick, bruh. And ain't gonna motherfucking say or do shit. Y'all some fucking stalkers. Y'all on my dick. I'm above y'all bitches, okay? I can't believe I just seen that. That shit is funny as hell. Hell no. That is some funny ass shit. Put them bitches on blast. Now, hoe, whores, hoe bags, ain't gonna say shit, do shit, nothing. I'm so sick of this fake ass shit.